Hey everybody, it is a beautiful sunny day here in British Columbia, and I'm gonna go find somewhere to camp for the night. So stick around, follow along, let's see where we get up to. There's no real plan other than I want a beach spot. So we'll hit a few beaches, see how busy it is. It's like the hottest weekend of the year thus far, and yeah, let's rock and roll. So first stop today, we're gonna hop down into Hale. It's gonna be absolutely crazy, I can imagine. But we're gonna pop in, check it out anyway, and then come back out. Keep heading north. Let's check it out. Well, Hale was pretty full up. No surprise there. It's kind of one of the first beaches to hit if you have a vehicle capable of getting down there. And some attempt at when they don't, but yeah. Now I'm just gonna continue north after popping out. Probably, I think there's 2 more beaches to pop into before my final destination, possibly. Final destination. for now, I'm just gonna boogie down this dusty road. So stay tuned. Check out some more beaches and see how busy they are. It's kind of early yet, early June. People are still in school, etc. So it's probably not super busy up this way. Most likely all at North Chehalis, which I will be avoiding like the plague. Anywho, don't forget to hit those potholes on your travels. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying watching these videos. I enjoy putting them together for you. It's really quite simple. You just click that button down here. I think it's here or here somewhere, and hit that subscribe button. Likes are good too. Oh, my holder just popped right out. Yeah, as mentioned, stick around. We're gonna pop in and check those beaches out. After hitting multiple beaches, found a suitable location for the night. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning here. So we're gonna relax, have something to eat, have a fire, take in all of this fantastic, beautiful British Columbia weather. So thanks for following along today. Stay tuned. I'll probably film some stuff tonight. We'll see. Head back. Maybe catch something along the way. Right on. That. Pulled the water down. Good morning, everybody. Oh, looks like I got a little bit of sun yesterday. I'm really enjoying that Alucab tent. It's 10 o'clock. I think I've been awake for about an hour. I have never, ever slept as well as I do in a rooftop tent, as I do in that Alu camp. Holly that I'm camping with, she was asking me about if I heard the wind last night, and I didn't hear anything. That double layer, thicker ripstop is top notch. Not sponsored by AluCab, but giving you a shout out. That is a quality product. If I were to ever change it, it'd probably have to be that Gen 3R, because it can only go up from here. But yeah, anyway, had a great coffee. As you can see, I brought a Keurig along with me. Kyle, man, great idea. So much better than the instant coffee out of the jet boil. So that's definitely going to find its way into the Jeep for future trips. Yeah, this spot's great. It's usually super busy on long weekends. Fortunately, we're one of 4 other people in the area. They've all since left, and we're just enjoying this nice weather. Took a little walk around here because, you know, I don't know if you all know this, that are familiar with the area. All of these sites along this lake are all remnants of old dryland sorts and logging activities, etc. So it's really neat to kind of poke around to see the history that's still hidden in the moss like this, and old remnants of bridges, etc., from old routes through here. But, yeah, I hope you've been enjoying this little night out. It was much needed. Get a little break from the rush of everything and get out and enjoy what this province has to offer. As I mentioned, don't forget to like and subscribe for more destination to nowhere. Thanks again. Signing out. Bye. $37, $38, $37s.